All right, so moving on, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to go ahead and troubleshoot your Scout. Now, for instance, if you come across an issue, all you gotta do is click on Settings, click on System, scroll all the way down, and click on Firmware Debug. Now, this here includes a built-in self-test system, aka BIST. So if we click this, it will go ahead and perform that action. Now, it's very important to note that you started off on the charging station. Now, the robot will perform some maneuvers. It'll kind of go out, spin in a circle, and then it'll make a screeching sound at the end. So that was a loud screech right there. And now I should be getting the data to my phone, indicating if there's anything wrong with it. There we go. So it says everything has passed and we're all flying colors. So this is great. Now, if there was a fail or there was an issue, it will report back to you, which you can go ahead and further investigate if necessary.